Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 7 growth stocks every investor should own. Whether you're a beginner, expert investor, I think some of these stocks, guys, are phenomenal. There's so much long-term potential, and overall, I think there's a lot of opportunity, whether on the short side, on the long side, and everything in between. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And overall, I hope you guys get something of value out of the video, because that's the main idea with the video, with the channel. So smash the like button if you guys do. So starting off with the very first one here. It's not Target, even though Target is a phenomenal stock here. This one is ticker symbol PYPL. Whoa, it's not even typing. It is PYPL here, the one and only PayPal. So me personally, I think that PayPal carries a lot of long-term potential. One, because they are pretty much a fintech company. They're a financial technology company. They're heavily invested in crypto. And with the growth that we've seen of crypto, there's been a lot of opportunity for a company like PayPal to kind of keep moving forward. They make money from Bitcoin transactions, sending money, and a lot of small businesses and businesses in general allow people to use PayPal to pay for things. It's just a more secured way to pay. Overall, I think that this is a perfect stock for the long term here. Beautiful upward trend. Highs here at around 309. Some lows here at around 207. I think with the sell-off here back down to about 262, this brings a good amount of opportunity to hop in. Don't even look at it for a couple of years and just make money off it. This one obviously does not pay a dividend because it's a growth stock. Growth stocks in general don't tend to pay dividends. The reason why is because they want to use that leftover money, reinvest it back into the business and grow it larger. That's why companies like Amazon doesn't pay a dividend, Google doesn't pay a dividend, but a company like Coca-Cola, they pretty much peaked out and they still want investors, so they entice them with dividends here. So PayPal is a perfect one here for the long term. The next one here is ticker symbol LMND. This is one of my favorites. This is Lemonade. Lemonade is an insurance company, and they have homeowners, renters, and even pet insurance. What separates them from other insurance agencies is how easy it is to get a quote. Now, when you have something you're gonna get insurance on, most of the time you have to call an agent, you have to schedule things, and it honestly takes a couple of days. But with Lemonade, you can go on their website, get a real-time quote, and get insurance within the hour. So I think that this one definitely separates themselves from a lot of other companies in that sector. Nice upward trend. This one is a little more volatile, so it does go up and down pretty rapid rates. But if you guys hold it for the long term, I think that this brings a good amount of opportunity here. So the third one here is DDOG. This one here is another company that I think carries a lot of potential. This is Datadog. So this is a data company, and for those of you that don't know, data just actually beat out oil in total market cap. So with the overall growth of technology, software, data, I think that there's a lot of opportunity for the long term to make money off it. This one does have a little bit of resistance here at around 119. You guys can see it hit it, sold off, hit it, sold off. Good amount of support near around the 75 mark. You guys can see buying pressure. So right now hopping into it at 85, you're going to get it at a pretty solid discount because of the highs here at around 120. So you could hop in, set your stops even below at let's just say 73. So you're risking around $10 or so to possibly make 30 or 40 bucks. So I think that this is a good one here to especially hold for the long term. Now, continuing off data and software and everything like that, CRM. Now this is Salesforce. So this is a software company that a lot of companies use, and obviously look at the growth here, but a little more volatile, of course, but a lot of opportunity here. Lows here at around 155, basic support here around 200, with it being 230. Buy it, hold it for the long term. It's off about $50 off its highs. So if you hopped into it, set your stops, let's just say below the 200 moving average line, you're risking, $15 to make 50. So I think that this one definitely carries a lot of potential, especially for the long term here. But another one, probably my favorite here is ticker symbol SQ. So SQ is Square. Now Square is a company that I've heavily been investing in over the past couple of years. But look at the growth here. Beautiful growth, beautiful upward trend. Some basic resistance here at around 283. You guys can see we've hit it multiple times, sold off. Basic support near 200 with it being 240. I'm dollar cost averaging this one because of the volatility, but I did invest heavily at around 160, and now I've just been dollar cost averaging ever since, using the volatility of Square to my advantage to make more money here. So the last company that I want to talk about is AMZN here. Whoa, of course it didn't even work. AMZN here. So this is Amazon. So there's been a lot of rumors and hype about an Amazon stock split. I think that if we get a stock split, announced from Amazon, this is going to cause a huge amount of people to hop into this. Very similar to what happened with Apple, with Tesla. They announced it and it just went parabolic. I think the same thing would happen with Amazon here, and I believe it's rumored to have a 10-to-1 stock split so this company can get into the Dow Jones. So I think that would be really cool, really exciting, but overall, these were the top growth stocks to buy and top growth stocks that I've been buying over the past year or so. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value. And we're wearing the Bass Pro Shop hat today because it's a great Sunday here, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, guys. Stay safe out there. We'll see you later. Take care.